It's August 26, 2011. My name is David Shuguru, and we are in southern New Jersey in Egg Harbor Township. And we're going to find out what happens when a hurricane hits a residential solar energy system. I have 38 solar panels on the roof of my home. See how they do through the hurricane. 7 o'clock on Saturday night, August 26th. Rain and the winds are pretty bad. Sunday night, August 28th. The storm has passed us. It's actually pretty sunny out. We don't have electricity yet, but the solar panels look safe and sound. 38 panels are still with us.